Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, traders. This is Jose, and I am going to give you the lowdown on what I see for the GBP/JPY. Now, this is going to be a simulation of an execution setup, and we're going to start off with our week, and this is the week just ending. This is a humongous move south. All right. Now, two things that I'm going to talk about. Primarily the wave activity. There's a U-turn. Well, it's not a U-turn. It's really a correction. Heading back south. All right. We were anticipating this little valley maneuver, whatever you want to call it, there prior to the holiday. All of this consolidation is out of our way now, thank God. And now we're moving basically to the next situation. Now, this particular chart that we're going to be analyzing here is the day chart, and the reason why I did this is because we've got ourselves a gigantic crown, okay, potentially. If in this scenario that we have here, okay, this being trend line break, so this would be 1, uh, 2 this new low, 3 being this peak right here, this right here, and 4 being this right here, then the new trend line would be there. This new red line here would be the trend, which means that we're going south, and obviously this humongous move here would correlate to all that. I'm anticipating a correction. All right. The two things that we want to make sure that we see before we anticipate anything, what I just said. One is the wave over here. It's getting ready to U-turn. Hopefully it does. Here we could have a red engulfish bearish. We could have a tweezer bottom. We could have, a morning star. If the morning star does come to fruition on our day, it won't be till the end of this week. Maybe it'll be, this week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll see it if at all. But the big thing on this confirmation for the crown is this green TL that was broken, okay? If it's broken and we are in the crown, which it's kind of obvious that we are going to head south for a little bit, all right? Only till the wave corrects itself, which every month it should, it takes about a good 4 to 5, 6, 7 days for the wave to actually do its U-turn. It's a big difference from a wave making a U-turn on the day or on the week than it is on a 240 or on even an hour, obviously. But the big thing is how this move, whatever this move may be, responds to the activities. So now let's go to the execution or the setup. The execution and the setup obviously is on 240, and we do not have anything here that is completely obvious except for the break. All right. Now this consolidation is all of November and even part of December. I mean part of December, most of December, and part of November. All right. We're out of it. Well, when we know when consolidation is broken and we go in that direction, the potential of this move is equal to the potential of this move in distance. So we might still have a long ways to go here. And since this wave is heading south, it looks kind of in a hurry, then we might actually be looking not at a tweezer bottom, morning star, or further red activity, but we might actually have ourselves a southerly move on this particular situation, and rather than be thinking that this was A, this would be B, the little C that would be coming here wherever it is, if there is one. Yeah, well, if it is, we might come back and bounce off this red ATL, or even maybe just the blue. That I don't know. We have to wait and see. We can only trade what we can see, not what we would like to be, not what we're imagining that we see. If that's the case, though, the wave is backing that up completely, and at that point, we would actually be in convergence not only with this but also with this, since the wave is going to take a little bit to do its thing in the day here and tell us whether or not we're going back north. So if that is the case, and we're over here at the week, and the week is telling us that it's going to take a little bit of time because it's already pointing south as it is already. Well, we have red engulfish bearish, and we also have this humongous wick. I mean, this humongous candle. So If that is the case, then we're going to go south, and we should be looking for further confirmation. Now, since we don't have a move and it's Friday, uh, we're not even going to look at the 60-minute because there's no need to. Hopefully, your rules are that you're sticking to. Two big ones is if you don't see it, don't trade it, and then number two is even worse, but even happier. If in doubt, stay out, simultaneously followed up by it's better to be out of a trade wishing you were in than to be in wishing you were out. And with that, I'm going to just say my now going to become famous words and wish you the best of profitable trading. Make it happen.